The United States has tested the most dangerous nuclear bomb, which will definitely make Russia panic. The GBU-53B StormBreaker smart bomb has been used for the first time by a squadron, Washington, from Mountain Home Air Force Base in Idaho, marking a significant step forward for the long-delayed small-diameter bomb. What were the results of the test? And how powerful is this bomb? Stay till the end of the video to discover this and more. The GBU-53B StormBreaker, formerly known as the Small Diameter Bomb 2, is an air-launched, precision-guided glide bomb developed by the United States. The development of this 250-pound, 113-kilogram bomb can identify and strike mobile targets from standoff distances in all weather conditions began in 2006. It was intended to be integrated into the F/A-18 Hornet and F-35 Lightning fighters, as well as the McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle. On May 1, 2009, the company announced its first flight. Raytheon was given a contract to begin low-rate initial manufacturing in June 2015. The bomb is created and manufactured by Raytheon. It was attempted to be developed by a Boeing-Lockheed Martin collaboration, but they were unsuccessful in a U.S. Air Force competition. The original competition was won by Boeing, but owing to a corruption scandal involving Darlene Druyan, the project was put on hold for several years. Then in September 2005, the competition was reopened. During the initial search phase, the bomb can use GPS/INS to guide itself into the general vicinity of a moving target, with course correction updates provided via a Link 16 over UHF data link. The diverse capabilities of the StormBreaker's warheads add to the ship's firepower. The StormBreaker is armed with shape charge jets, fragmentation, and blast charge effects, according to the press announcement. This effectively means that the bomb can be deployed against a variety of targets, including infantry, structures, armor, and patrolling vessels. Raytheon also offers an optional smart delayed fuse with the strength to detonate a tank. The SDB-2's Tri-Mode Seeker is what makes it the StormBreaker it promises to be. The weapon, which is equipped with an infrared imager and millimeter wave radar, can find targets in fog, haze, and even heavy rain. It can then identify its target using data from semi-active laser or GPS-based guidance systems. Users can also choose a semi-autonomous mode, in which the weapon classifies and prioritizes prospective targets before hitting them. Fighter aircraft can aim at their targets from safe distances without engaging in high-risk regions, thanks to the range of 45 miles, 72 kilometers, for fixed and moving targets. Raytheon believes that the weapon can be discharged and then handed over to another platform to complete the mission thanks to its networking capabilities. The use of uncooled infrared imaging has been praised for being cost-effective and innovative. The new weapon's ability to maximize the number of bombs carried by strike aircraft is a key feature. The F-15E Strike Eagle can carry a total of 28 GBU-53B, using 7 BRU-61A suspension units, each carrying 4 bombs. In the weapons bay of an F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II, 8 bombs and 2 AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles can be carried, even the Stovall F-35B. The F-35 was not able to use the bomb because the Block 4 software package had not been installed. Originally, the SDB-2 bomb rack couldn't fit inside the F-35B's smaller weapons bay. To correspond with the software package, a modification will be provided. An F-35 can carry a total of 24 bombs, 8 inside and 16 outside the aircraft. The SDB-2 was scheduled to be installed on the Navy's FA-18 Super Hornet jets initially, followed by the F-35B and C fighters. Then, the U.S. Department of the Navy, DON, decided to shift its integration strategy by employing the L3 Harris BRU-55 Smart Multiple Carriage Racks on FA-18E and F to store and fire the SDB-2 for the U.S. Navy due to persistent delays in the F-35 program from a naval perspective. The L3 Harris BRU-55A Smart Rack allows each weapon station to carry 2 mil-standard 1760 smart weapons, such as the SDB-2. The BRU-55 canted vertical ejector rack which is joined by a BRU-32A bomb ejector rack connected to SUU-79 pylons, and subsequently to the aircraft fuselage, handles an electronic control assembly and digital communications from the aircraft to the weapon. The BRU-55A is a bomb ejection rack that is an enhancement of the BRU-33 CVER canted vertical bomb ejection rack, mostly in terms of electronics. The BRU-55 is a Joint Direct Attack Munition (JDAM) that was created as part of the Mk-82 Joint Direct Attack Munition (JDAM) program. According to a press release from the weapon's creators, Raytheon Missiles and Defense, the U.S. Air Force has begun the process of integrating the StormBreaker smart weapon on its F-35 Joint Strike aircraft and just executed a drop test. Adversaries can employ bad weather, smoke, or dust as a cover from fighter aircraft weaponry. As a result, the U.S. military was interested in a weapon that could operate in adverse weather. In a test that was carried out late last year, 4 F-15E Strike Eagles from the 391st Fighter Squadron, which is part of the 366th Fighter Wing, targeted and hit 4 moving vehicles on the ground with 4 Raytheon Technologies-made StormBreakers at the Utah Test and Training Range on November 2nd, according to a release from the Air Force on December 13th. The testing was necessary, according to Allison Howlett, StormBreaker Program Director at Raytheon Missiles and Defense, to pave the way for the weapon to be employed in war. Because the weapon has been tested in an operating context, Howlett said they are much more confident in its ability to strike targets under challenging conditions. The StormBreaker has only been approved for integration on the F-15E so far, according to the Air Force. According to the announcement, the findings of this test will eventually lead to its implementation of the FA-18EF Super Hornet and 5th-generation aircraft like the F-35. It's a significant step forward for a weapon that was previously delayed for nearly a year due to its production issues. The weapon's manufacture was halted in July 2019 due to a technical issue with a critical component. Raytheon changed the component and retrofitted almost 600 already delivered weapons. In September 2020, the Air Force reintroduced the weapon into service. The 204-pound StormBreaker is a compact weapon measuring 69 inches long and 7 inches wide, and the Strike Eagle can carry up to 28 of them. This would be useful if an F-15E needed to hit several ground targets with pinpoint accuracy, according to the Air Force. The weapon's warhead weighs 105 pounds, using a combination of millimeter-wave active radar homing, semi-active laser guidance, infrared homing, GPS-coupled inertial navigation, and data connection technologies. It can strike stationary targets up to 69 miles distant and moving targets up to 45 miles away. The bomb's connectedness, according to the Air Force, allows it to be redirected to a different target mid-flight after launch. Before we discuss how the StormBreaker stacks up against the Russian drill aerial bomb, be sure to subscribe to get more content like this. StormBreaker has several traits that set it apart from other self-guided projectiles. Glide mode, for example, allows the bomb to fly up to 73 kilometers to its target before switching to combat mode, identifying targets and destroying them without the need for human interaction. The Russian drill cluster bomb can only be dropped from a distance of 30 kilometers on the enemy. Furthermore, it can work in low visibility environments such as severe weather, smoke, and complete darkness. Also, because the StormBreaker is small in size, under 114 kilograms, aircraft can carry more amounts of it. The Russian drill bomb, on the other hand, weighs 540 kilograms. Tell us which one of these bombs you think is most effective in the comments section. And be sure to check out our video, United States Testing Deadliest New Laser Weapon.